WINNEO has always been committed to providing customers with high-quality printing and labeling solutions. Today, we go deep into the factory to witness the manufacturing process of high-end equipment. To ensure that every machine meets WINNEO's strict standards. From parts processing to whole machine assembly, every link is strictly controlled to ensure the stability and accuracy of the machine. Before shipment, each machine is repeatedly tested. This is to ensure that the machines meet the customer requirements and reach the high-quality standard. In order to meet the customized needs of our customers, we make high requirement to our engineers teams, and we customize our machine to achieve the best labeling results. The delivery of each piece of machine is not only a cooperation, but also a commitment to customer trust. WINNEO always adheres to quality first and helps global customers improve production efficiency. Accurate, efficient, and reliable, helping you upgrade your production.
Wow,
helping
look at
you
that.
upgrade your production.